Keeping your home clean in 2026 doesn't mean spending hours vacuuming anymore, but not all robot vacuums are worth your money. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm breaking down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, and by the end, you'll know which one is truly the best overall choice for your home. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, carpets, hard floors, or just want hands-free cleaning, this list is based on real features, performance, and value, not hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Shark AV752 Ion. The Shark AV752 Ion is a simple and reliable robot vacuum designed for everyday cleaning. It features a tri-brush system, Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa support, and up to 2.5 hours of runtime. Review highlights. This is a great entry-level robot vacuum for apartments or smaller homes. It handles daily dust and debris well across multiple surfaces. Pros: tri-brush system for edge and corner cleaning, Wi-Fi and Alexa voice control, long battery life, and affordable and easy to use. Number 4. Tikom L8000 Plus. The Tikom L8000 Plus offers 6,000 PA suction, LiDAR navigation, and a self-emptying base with up to 90 days of capacity. It vacuums and mops in one pass and supports smart home mapping. Review highlights. This model is ideal for pet owners and busy households that want strong suction with minimal maintenance. Pros: powerful 6,000 PA suction, self-emptying base, accurate LiDAR mapping, great for pet hair and carpets. Number 3. Eufy C10 Robot. The Eufy C10 stands out with its slim 2.85-inch design, smart LiDAR navigation, and up to 8 weeks of hands-free cleaning with its self-emptying dock. Review highlights. Perfect for low-clearance furniture and homes that want quiet, efficient cleaning without bulky hardware. Pros: ultra-slim design fits under furniture, smart mapping with LiDAR, self-emptying for low maintenance, and excellent edge and corner cleaning. Number 2. DREAME Light 40 Ultra CE. The DREAME Light 40 Ultra CE is a high-performance robot with 13,000 PA suction, advanced mop self-cleaning, auto-raising mops, and ultrasonic carpet detection. Review highlights. This robot is built for power users who want top-tier vacuuming and mopping, especially in homes with pets and mixed flooring. Pros: extremely powerful 13,000 PA suction, advanced mop cleaning and lifting, excellent for pet hair, and smart carpet sensing technology. Number 1. Roborock Qrevo. Taking the number 1 spot is the Roborock Qrevo series, and this is the best robot vacuum in 2026 for most people. It delivers 8,000 PA suction, 200 RPM spinning mops, smart obstacle avoidance, and a fully automated all-in-one dock that washes and dries the mops. Review highlights. This robot offers the best balance of power, intelligence, hands-free convenience, and long-term reliability. It cleans, mops, and maintains itself with minimal user effort. Pros: strong 8,000 PA suction, auto mop washing and drying, excellent obstacle avoidance, and true hands-free cleaning experience. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So, as promised, here's the final answer. If you want the best overall robot vacuum in 2026, the Roborock Qrevo series is the clear winner thanks to its smart automation, powerful cleaning, and all-in-one dock system. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which robot vacuum you choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.